Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Room Tech brand extra tall pet gate. This is going to be a 61-inch gate that's going to allow you to fill basically the full door area to keep large dogs or cats from getting through. Some of these pet gates are not always full size. So we're going to open it up, show you how it looks. Of course, install it, demonstrate it, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so pulling this out of the box, it's got nice protection. Of course, it's got your simple user manual. And it's easier to slice this open, but I'm just trying to make sure that you see exactly how it's put together. So as noticed, it's completely assembled already. All right, so when you get it unwrapped, you'll note that this kind of separates. It's got a zip tie that keeps it together, so I'm assuming this is going to be part of the process once we get the bags in, but just want to be aware that that's going to look normal. That's how it was delivered, so just going from there. So as part of your parts list, you'll have 5 pieces like this, 5 pieces like this, and then you'll have these 5. Now in the secondary bag they give you 1 of each as an extra, and then of course you'll have your screwdriver to go with the install. So I should clarify that the instruction manual says do not take off the zip ties, which I did until after you've already gotten through this process. But what you're going to do is really just take 5 of these, put them together, and these screw right on, and then get them all set in different locations on this. And what you're going to also want to do is just tear off these and put them right on the edge of this. And it's kind of difficult to do one-handed, but you're just going to want to put them on as a buffer for your walls. All right, so what you're going to want to do is just make sure you get this in, adjust these as needed to tighten and extend your door frame in place. And then something else I want to point out is the cat or small dog door. Let me get this sealed first. So this will open and close for a cat to get through if you want your cat to get through, and if you don't, just lock that up like that. You've got beautiful hinges over here. Again, just work your door frame as needed, extending to tighten and maintain. And then you'll have this simple switch, which again is going to have a turning capability, and as you can hopefully see, in and out. And so you can keep people in and out, dogs in and out. It's not the full height of the door, so beautiful for me, works great. And then on the back of the gate, you'll have these. So depending on what side of the door you want to be on or how you want to set it up, what you'll see is that it won't let your dog through. Come here. Come here. Yeah, so he can't get through. And so if I ever need to block off a room, I'm completely covered. So to me, totally worth it. A lot of value here. Hopefully this works for you. Thanks for watching.